As coronavirus spreads in our country, it is not advisable to make crowds on any stall. One Indian student have created a simple online visit booking system for local shops called as Visyen.com. Visyen is a free for all, user friendly, and it don't need any app to be installed on your phone. It works well on any mobile phone or computers. So today we will show you how you can also book your visit to any local shop in Visyen.com. As you open Visyen.com in your browser, you will see a search bar where you can find your preferred local shop where you want to book your visit. For example, I am looking for a restaurant named Cucina Indiana. So here it is. When I click the name, it will display the information of shop or restaurant. Also, the location of shop will be shown in the map to confirm the correct shop. If it is the right one, click the next button. Now, it will ask for the date and time of the visit. Just select the date and it will pop up the available time slots for booking. If shop is not working on that day, booking slots will not be available. Select your desired slot and it will ask simple informations like your name, email and phone number. Once entered all informations, click on next button and your visit is booked. Just go to that shop on that particular time and nobody else will be there to make crowd on your shop. You can also modify or delete your booking by signing in the website. This is a small effort to avoid crowds on the local shops and fight coronavirus. If you like this type of effort, please ask your local shop owner to register their shop on Visyen.com and share this video with all your friends and family.